This is a new construction house. It's
Yeah.
a single detached house. It's about 4,500 square feet of living space. So with any new construction in the city of Philadelphia, you have a 10-year property tax abatement.
Okay.
So the taxes here are estimated at a couple $1,000s a year for 10 years.
Whoa.
Which is really amazing. So the exterior building materials are local schist stone as well as hardy plank siding. We've got the single house here, which is for sale for $2.495 million. And then next door, former Dr. Gallagher's dentist's office, which was built in 1865. The same builder here is converting that into 2 condos, one of which is already under contract. Black and white seems to be all the rage right now as far as interior design. So we have a black island here, shaker style, with a corresponding black hood and then white shaker cabinets. This way here, we have a flexible space which could either be used as a dining room if someone so desires, or they could have the dining next to the kitchen. We have a formal living room, fabulous coffered ceiling, gas fireplace. We'll be doing custom built-in shelving on either side of the fireplace with a mantle. Obviously, we're in this incredible Chestnut Hill location at the top of the hill. So the house is actually 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths.
Wow.
The exterior of the house, just so that everyone is aware, is made of local schist stone as well as hardy board siding. The exterior, the white hardy board siding, is going to be painted a gray shade, which was chosen by the Chestnut Hill Historical Society. A bedroom area over here, and then you're standing in a sitting room. Someone may want to set up a desk here, but it's also plumbed for a wet bar. So if somebody wanted us, we could build some cabinetry here, a beverage refrigerator, countertop, and cabinetry, make your coffee in the morning, have a drink in the evening, and then you have this lovely step-out balcony, which obviously there will be railings installed there once they're completed, with a lovely view of the Chestnut Hill Library. Down here you have a linen closet, and then you have a large master walk-in closet, which will be fitted out with custom built-ins. And then here, one of my favorite, fabulous marble bathroom. You have a large step-in shower over here. This is all dolomite marble, beautiful, and then the floor corresponds with a little bit of a gold accent. We have a pretty large finished lower level here. So if somebody wanted, we could have a wall built here with a door, and that would be and build a closet. That would be the 5th bedroom. And then you still have this huge room here, which again could be a media room, gym, playroom, office. You have another laundry room here, okay? So again, if this were in-law quarters or an au pair suite, they'd have their own laundry. And then we have a full bathroom here with a step-in shower. We'll have frameless glass doors here, toilet, single vanity here. And then we're going to be installing a built-in bench here with custom built-ins with cubbies and hooks, because you're going to be coming and going from your garage, which is right to your right. So this is your garage here. Obviously the driveway is under construction and is going to be graded appropriately.
Neighbors have been a little surprised by the size of the structure for the space that it's on.
Absolutely. So I think that anytime that there's a new house, new development, apartment building, etc., being constructed, it usually looks a little bit out of place. What happens is once the house is completed and it's painted and it's landscaped, it automatically looks like it's been here for decades and decades.
What kind of buyer or family do you anticipate wanting a place on the avenue of this size and grandeur?
So I think that you have a wide spectrum of buyers who are looking for a house like this in this particular location. We are not only seeing families with children who really want to live here in the Chestnut Hill community and raise their families here. We're seeing a large influx of empty nesters from the suburbs moving to the Chestnut Hill area because of the walkability factor.
Wow.
One of the biggest trends in real estate right now is walkability. Everybody wants to, so to speak, walk to Maine and walk to the train. So you see a lot of people who, we have multiple train stations right here at the top of the hill, shoot you down to Center City in 25 to 30 minutes, which is really great. And then obviously the avenue's right here, so walk to cafes, the gym, the markets, restaurants, etc.